I decided to, try out some really good products that are natural. They're made locally. These are made in Toronto. It's by Graydon-Plant Powered Skincare. It's a minimalist luxury skincare brand, and I think it's really good to invest in something that is going to be good for your skin, that uses clean products. And for myself, I have suffered from bad skin for most of my life, and I'm at the point where, I just really need to think about what I'm using. So I'm gonna show you. First one is this cleanser, Blue Magic Face Foam, unscented. And this really will clarify your complexion with natural salicylic acid from white willow bark. It'll brighten your skin tone and even out the texture with azelaic acid. And when you open up the box, it's so cute. Beauty lies within, it says. And then it comes with this really cool comic book or comic strip, and it says Luna's Skin Tips. And you can go through it and it shows you what you're getting in this box. It's so cute. And then how to use it. I love it. It's super cute. And then it comes in this. Today, I'm gonna do before and after. So you're gonna see my skin when it's cleansed and how it really looks. I'm also gonna try out this full moon serum. As I age, I'm in my 30s and my skin is changing, going from acne to aging skin. It's not easy, especially when I'm still going through the acne. So again, Luna's here. Luna's here to give you some skin tips. And after I put on that face foam or cleanse my skin, I'm gonna put on some of this full moon serum here. It corrects and protects. I'm just gonna put like 3 drops and then spread it throughout my face. And then here I have this superfood serum. And this has a stem cell extract of saffron to brighten the skin tone and reduce irritation. Vitamin A to reduce the appearance of fine lines. Vitamin B3 to enhance the skin's natural tone and texture. Just really good for you ingredients. And it even has anti-inflammatory turmeric to refine pores and calm skin. Just really quality ingredients that are natural and good for you. So this is the superfood serum. We got Luna's tips again, Luna's skin tips. Oh, I love it, so cute. And I'm also gonna put 3 drops and combine them like a smoothie, like a skin smoothie on my skin before going to bed. So when I apply the foam, this foam, I'm gonna actually use a konjac sponge, which is made out of bamboo charcoal. So this is it right here. So it hardens when it dries, but once you wet it, it gets soft and gentle on your face. Just scrubs the right amount. So here I am in my PJs. I'm ready to wash up. I'm gonna test out Graydon's skincare line. And as you can see, I have some problem areas already here. I've got some acne. I haven't had one on my forehead in a long time. And it does not go well with these fine lines. My under eyes are also changing. And I'm breaking out a lot more around the neck. And it must be because I'm wearing more layers. Not really sure, but yeah, I do want to test this out and see how my skin will change after using this. I'm gonna give myself 1 month just to really see a change. So you're gonna see my skin without makeup. I don't have much on right now, it's just my brows. I have a little bit of mascara, but I think most of what was on my face has left because I have oily skin here, more dry up here. But yeah, let's see how my skin's gonna look. once I wash it. So now my skin is cleansed and I'm ready to apply the serums. So I got the Superfood Serum and the Full Moon Serum. So I'm gonna apply this now. Just 3 drops into my hand. 1, 2, 3. Going for good luck. Just mix it in here. I really want the serum on my forehead because that's where I get more of my lines. On my neck area. And then now I'm gonna do the Superfood Serum. Again, spread it in my hands. So it's like a skincare smoothie, the combination. There. So I'm gonna see how my skin will change, how my neck will get better from this product. I'm really excited to see what Graydon's skincare line can do for me. It's gonna be worth it, I'm pretty sure. I'm excited. So I'm gonna test this out for a month and then we're gonna check out my skin after a month use of this product. Okay, good night.